Hi everyone, my name is Leah Kopke and I'm a 3D motion design freelancer. In each one of these episodes, I go over another 3D modeling tool for Cinema 4D, and today's 3D modeling tool is Fill Selection, and we'll be using it to give this 3D model dog that I made a sweater. So let's jump into Cinema 4D and see how this tool works. Here we are inside of Cinema 4D. I have my dog here. I have the IPR on for Redshift, so I'll turn that off for a moment. You can see my mesh again. Over here, I have the sweater texture we are using, and I've used triplanar nodes so that we don't need to worry too much about UV mapping this sweater, and it'll look really seamless even though we haven't taken the time to UV map it. Because the triplanar node, what it does is it does a feathering effect in between where the texture is being projected on from each side. So it'll work well for this. So the first thing that I need to do is have the body of the dog selected. I'll come out of this camera view here and I can zoom in. What I'll need to do is now go over to polygon mode so that I can select the polygons needed. I'll use the hotkey UL in order to pull open the loop selection tool. And now I can select here. And we're going to use fill selection in order to select the rest of the area we're going to use to give this dog a sweater. So the way to do that is to use the hotkey UF. And you can see when we just click U, you can see all these hotkeys here. F stands for fill selection, so we'll use that one. And now if I hold down Shift and I select this entire area here, you can see that it fills it in. If I move my mouse over here, you can see instead it's filling in this other side. So I'll hold down Shift and I'll add this to our selection. So it'll fill that selection there. And you can see it's selected all the way around. And now we can simply drag and drop our material so that now we can add it to our dog. And we've applied it. If I go back into the camera, I can go over to IPR and we can see what this looks like. So here we go. Our dog has a sweater. He looks really cozy. So this gives you an idea of what our sweater actually looks like up close. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I come out with another 3D modeling tutorial on another tool each week, and this is actually our 26th episode. So if you're interested in learning more, you can check out the other episodes, and I hope to see you again very soon next week on Wednesday.